Zeilad Wildlife Sanctuary affected villages today held a protest rally against proposed Zeilad Wildlife Sanctuary at Makwai village under Tauksam subdivision in Tamenglong district. Villages of Makwai, Athengba, Charingnapang, Impakang, Impa Ningdi, Jingkhao, Taijingjang, Tongthao, Singkonglong and other neighboring villages took part in the rally. Speaking on the sidelines, a protester named Ramnu Lung said that their villages have been arbitrarily declared as Zeilad Wildlife Sanctuary in collusion with some vested interest individuals without the knowledge or obtaining the consent of the affected villages. The declaration of Zeilad Wildlife Sanctuary was made in clear violation of the provisions for declaration of sanctuary under the Wildlife Protection Act 1972. The Act provides that the notification under Section 18 is to be published in every affected villages requiring any person claiming any right mentioned in Section 19 to prefer before the collector within 2 months from the date of such proclamation. The collector is required to inquire into the claim and determine the existence, nature and extent of the rights of any person in or over the land comprised within the limits of the sanctuary. However, the notification dated 22nd October 1997 issued by the district collector was not published or made known to the affected villages. While demanding the withdrawal of the proposed wildlife sanctuary, the protester urged government and relevant authority to consult the affected villages and to carry out social impact assessment study. He aided in the name of protecting wildlife spaces, the well-being as well as livelihood of poor villages who depends mostly on forest for their livelihood have been greatly affected and put under immense threat. Protesters held various placards such as "Our Land, Our Identity," "Respect Indigenous People's Rights," "Save Human First," "No to Zeilad Wildlife Sanctuary," "No to All Exploration," etc.